Now you know what Debutify Reviews can offer, let's get on to how to install it. You can start by visiting Debutify's website or the Debutify Reviews page. You can also go directly to Shopify App Store. So, here's how to install Debutify Reviews. First, go to the Shopify App Store and search for Debutify Reviews. But to make your life easier, you can also go straight to the link in the description down below. Next, click Add App. Then on the upper right, you can click on the Install App button. Once installed, you'll be redirected to this page. Then click on Let's Get Started. And voila! You have installed Debutify Reviews. Let's go and set it up. Before anything else, you have to note that this is an initial setup. After getting started, you can update the settings, customize more details, and choose more options on your dashboard and settings. You will see this page after getting started. You need to change the settings based on your preference and strategy as a brand. If you don't see this, you can go to your Shopify store's admin dashboard and go to Apps and click on Debutify Reviews. You can also set up your Debutify Reviews app there, but we'll talk about that later. So, first on the list is Review Requests tab. As you can see, there are two sets of automation. One is for your domestic customers and another is for your international ones. The reason is international orders take longer to arrive than domestic orders. So you can change the number of days you're going to request reviews after receiving their orders. You also need to select if you want to send a follow-up if customers don't respond to the initial request. If yes, you can set the number of days you will send the follow-up and if you want to send it. Or if they don't click or open the initial request. You can also opt not to send a follow-up. Remember, you can change the setting anytime in the review request settings. After that, click Next tab. This is where you choose if you want to automatically publish all reviews or just publish reviews with minimum ratings or don't automatically publish reviews. If you don't want to publish reviews with a 1-star rating, you can do that by only publishing reviews with good ratings while you address the issues with customers who leave bad reviews. For example, you can choose 3 stars as the minimum rating to publish automatically. If a customer leaves a 1-star rating, that will be hidden as you address the issue. That will help protect your brand reputation while fixing the problem. On to the next step. This is the next thing you need to set up because rewards can help generate more reviews. Luckily, Debutify Reviews also makes it easier for you to offer rewards. You can change the coupon code and the coupon discount type. If percentage, it's suggested to be a 5% discount, so it doesn't hurt your profits. You can also choose a fixed amount as a discount. Make sure to change the currency depending on your location and promotion. Next, you need to set up your review widgets. You can select Open Shopify and toggle Debutify Reviews. And once you're done, click on Next Step to import your reviews. Let's get your existing reviews on board. But if you don't have reviews to import, you can proceed to the next step. First, select the review app to import from. You can import reviews from Judge Me, Debutify, Looks, Yotpo, and AliExpress. If your reviews are not from any of these apps or platforms, don't worry. You can still import customer reviews as long as you export them in a CSV file. Here's how to import reviews from AliExpress. For AliExpress reviews, you can enter the product URL and title to add reviews to. You can also set the maximum number of reviews and minimum star rating to import. And to avoid review duplication, you can ignore already imported reviews or only import those with visual media. If you need to import manually, this is how to do it. Number 1, go to Import and Export Reviews from your left sidebar, or you can do it here during the initial setup. Upload the CSV file by clicking Add File or just drop it. Next, check if the review field and CSV column name are accurate. Then double check if these column names match each other to ensure the accuracy of reviews. Select Next, then Import. After importing, you'll need to wait a few minutes to import your reviews fully. Then click on the next step to finish importing. And when you're done, you'll see this. But that's not where it ends because there's still so many features you need to learn. So click Continue to Debutify Reviews and let's see our other features.